Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the teacher vacancies notification from the college as well as the school. Okay, and coming to the college is under the Ministry of Education. Here there is a chances for non-UGC as well as the UGC candidates, and the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. That means it is a level 10 category assistant professor. So it is a permanent post, guys, and there is no fee and no exam. The selection will be based upon the interview only. So now we will see the details regarding both these two notifications in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is Central Institute of Hindi. After this one, then we will see the second college recruitment. So after entering into the official website of this one, then here you can check down in the notice board that advertisement or application related to the educational recruitment in the institute. Okay, so click on here, then you will be directed to the notification or else advertisement. Kendriya Hindi Samsthan, Agra, Ministry of Education, Government of India. So vacancies in academic posts. Applications are invited from Indian citizens on prescribed format for filling up the following teaching vacant posts at the headquarter Agra and its present centers as well as centers to be established in future of Kendriya Hindi Samsthan. And you can check down that the name of the post, the professor and associate professor as well as the assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the subject, linguistics, literature, education. Okay, so these are the three departments. And coming to the assistant professor, there is a vacancies under the subject linguistics, and the two vacant seats are there. And you can check down the professor and associate professor vacancies also here. The detailed advertisement is available in the website. The duly filled application form containing all the relevant annexures from candidates who have requisite qualifications and experience will be accepted latest by 11th January 2021 to the above mentioned address through speed post or the registered post only. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And if you want to know the guidelines, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So if you want to know the guidelines, then click on here, more guidelines. Then you will be directed to the more detailed guidelines regarding this notification. And here you can check down that the application fee for this one is 100 rupees for the UR, SBEC and EWS, and 500 rupees for the SCST, and for PWD nil. The last date for submission of form is 11th January 2021 evening 5 o'clock, and you have to send through the speed post or the registration post. Okay, so these are the details given here. You may check down, guys. And coming to the second college is it is a second college, guys. Dr. MGR Group of Institutions. So Purachi Talaivar. So wanted, here the three different notifications are there. One is the wanted under the College of Education. Second one is under the Arts and Science College for Women, and the third one is Higher Secondary School. Okay. So coming to the College of Education, assistant professor in Tamil, English, Mathematics, Physical Science, Commerce, Sociology, History, Psychology and Philosophy, and assistant professor in Visual Arts also. So accept the visual arts. For all the remaining things, the 55% of marks in PG degree and 55% of marks in MA degree and PhD degree or else NET or SLET qualification. Coming to the visual arts, NET or SLET or PhD qualification is not mentioned here, just mentioned as postgraduate in the fine arts with minimum of 55%. And coming to the college for women, that is arts and science, assistant professor in Tamil, English, mathematics, physics, commerce and computer science, 55% of marks in the concern, PG with PhD, NET and SLET, NET or SLET. Coming to the higher secondary school, UG teacher for Tamil, English, mathematics, science and social science, BA or BSc with B.Ed, Montessori teachers and lady PET are also wanted, and applications are invited for the above mentioned post within 5 days by post or email. So within 5 days means as per the facultyplus.com website, okay, we got this notification on 15th. So it might be the 20th might be the last date. So you may send as early as possible. So applications are invited within 5 days by post or email. So you may send through the email also. Here the individual emails are provided for the secondary school and for the arts and science college and for the college of education. The mail IDs are provided here. And if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact that to these numbers, that is 93627 22223 and 99429 41068 and 82206 45727. Okay, these are the contact numbers, so you may contact these numbers regarding any queries. Okay, and here the application procedure is simple, no application fee. Directly you can send the resume or the whatever the documents to the provided mail IDs here. Okay, so please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.